Okay, last thing I'm doing on here, you probably won't be able to tell, but I'm cleaning. And believe it or not, this stainless steel, this is my fuel line, was not silver. It wasn't silver at all. As a matter of fact, if you look at that right there, that's how it was all around here. It was just piled all up in there. So I've been cleaning up under here. Let me get a better view. Wipe off. And this is loose because it's off of the this is totally extended, but this was black. See how this is all like that? That was black. So really got all up under there. Really been doing some scrubbing, cleaning as much as I can, cleaning off the oil pan, cross member, just clean as much as possible. So not very much to this video. I guess I'm just trying to see. Haven't did this side yet, but this side, believe it or not, wasn't as bad as the other side. You see how black it was. Still got to clean off but in here. So this side wasn't too bad. So just gonna clean off the transmission pan. As a matter of fact, I have a filter, so I'm gonna change out that. Finish clean up on all. You see how on the other side right here, it was actually like a copper peach, well, a rose gold type color. So you can see the difference between both sides. See what's been going on. Remember the other side was real shiny. Give you another look at the other side, just give you a comparison. How it was before. This is how it is afterwards. So you know the difference. You don't see much, but trust me, it's like an hour scrubbing just to get it like this. So, and I also found out that this is actually very loose. I tightened it. It's a part of the alignment, so I'm gonna have to take to the alignment shop and get it towed. But we'll see what's next. Might take off the calipers and brake lines and everything.